Today we are at the Case New Holland campus, and we are hosting a farmer workshop that has been put together in collaboration with Case New Holland and Maryland, Virginia milk producers, and we're trying to educate farmers on best management practices and trying to incentivize them to implement more riparian forest buffers and to be better stewards of the land.
Our success is dependent upon our customer success. And so we want them to be as successful as possible. We want them to be able to preserve their farms for their own use and their future generations and be as productive as possible, environmentally and financially. And as a result, we think there's going to be mutual benefit for all parties. And so, it's in our best interest to take care of our farmers and to provide them solutions that really solve the environmental challenges on their farms.
As an employee here at CNH, with my role as a corporate farmer, we are very passionate about spreading sustainable agriculture. We are the first ones to market with a methane-powered tractor that has the potential to be fueled by a methane digester on the side of the farm, and various other innovations that we have pioneered here at CNH. As my role as a farmer, I love events like this. I found that our younger farmer audience are some of the most innovative people out there and readily able to accept new information and try new things.
These opportunities can help to educate farmers. Many times we have noticed that farmers are unfamiliar with the practices that are helping to improve the health of our land, the health of our rivers and streams. And this type of opportunities help to bridge that gap and help them to understand more what we're doing this work, and also the opportunities that are available for them for funding and how they can do this work together in partnership with all of us.